Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. From whole grain to French to gluten-free, this bread maker makes it easy for you to create delicious homemade bread without preservatives or trans fats. Operating it is simple. Just add the ingredients, select your baking cycle, and press start. There are 12 cycles, including dough to make rolls or pizza, cake, jam, and a variety of breads. You can choose from 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark, and the large digital display makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and load size. You can choose between 2 loaf sizes, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. There's also a delay timer. Just add the ingredients and begin the baking process later. This way you have hot, fresh bread waiting for you when you wake up in the morning. Perfect for entertaining, too. The non-stick bread pan and 2 kneading paddles are dishwasher safe, and the bread maker comes with recipes to make homemade bread easier than you ever thought possible. The Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. Now that's good thinking.
Nothing beats the delicious taste of homemade bread, and with the Tower digital bread maker you get perfect results every time. All the mixing, proving and baking takes place in this easy to control unit, and all without the preservatives that you'd normally find in store-bought loaves. There's something for everyone. With 17 automatic programs, including a gluten-free option, simply add your ingredients, select a program, and let the machine do all the hard work for you. All the programs are accessible from touch controls and the LCD display. Every detail is catered for with the Tower digital bread maker. You can bake loaves in 3 different sizes. There's 500 grams, 750 grams, and 1 kilogram. And if you're fussy about your crusts, that's no problem. With the adjustable crust control, you can choose light, medium, or dark. The automatic dispenser built into the bread maker adds fruits, nuts, and dry ingredients at just the right time in the cooking process. So have fun experimenting with wholemeal, seeded, granary, buns, rolls, and much more. Also included is a measuring cup and spoon helping you to accurately measure and pour your ingredients directly into the tin. And the useful glass window provides a great view of your loaf baking to perfection. There's a 15-hour delay function so you can time your loaf to be ready exactly when you want it to be. But just in case you can't get to your loaf straight away, the 60-minute keep warm function will keep your loaf nice and warm for that little while longer. Tower has over 100 years experience of quality and design, and that's why this bread maker has the fantastic 3-year guarantee. So if you want to make your own delicious homemade bread, the Tower gluten-free digital bread maker is for you.
Zojirushi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon.
Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start, so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Convection Bread Maker. It makes up to a 2-pound loaf. It's really great for consumers who want to make fresh homemade bread but are kind of afraid of the whole process of doing it. We make it really easy for you. First and foremost, you have 3 bread sizes, so you can make a 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2 pound loaf. You have the option of making light, medium, or dark crusts. And because I mentioned it's convection, it actually circulates the air around the bread, which makes for a better finished crust. It has 16 programmable options, and I want to call out a couple of them. First and foremost are our exclusive options, which are low carb and gluten-free, because a lot of people are following a gluten-free diet. And you also have everything from white bread to wheat bread to rapid French or Italian, and also even artisan doughs. You have the mix it in option when you want to add extra ingredients like cheese or tomatoes or who knows, nuts if you're going to make a nut bread. The lid is removable if you wish, and also the bread pan comes out just by pulling up. And in here we have our paddle, which is also removable, and you'll have the option during the process of removing that so that your bread doesn't have a hole in the bottom when it's finished. So let's start making some bread. Today we're going to make beer bread, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's really easy to do. So first let's start with our ingredients. This is our water. Put that in the bottom. Next is the beer, and we just put it right in, bottom also. Next is the salt, sugar, and then the flour. I'm going to do this by using a scoop because I don't want to make a mess. So you just put that in. The one thing I want to mention is that it's important to put the ingredients in the way our IB states it, because it's important to get a really perfect finished bread when you're done. And the last ingredient is the yeast. We're going to add that to the top. We're going to close the lid, and now we're going to program it. It's really simple. First, we're going to do our loaf size. We just press the button here, and we're going to go to 1.5. And today, we're going to pick our crust size. I'm going to do medium, so you just move the button once, and it goes to medium. And then we're going to do menu. And what we're going to do today is we're going to do a white. So we're just going to move this until it gets to number 1. So there you go, 1. And then all we do is hit the start button. And it's going to start making bread. Look at this beautiful beer bread. It'll go great with any type of grilled meat, especially sausages and mustard. And it was so easy to do. You really don't have to be a chef in the kitchen to make beautiful homemade bread every day with the Cuisinart Convection Bread Maker.